Constance booth. What are you doing, bro?
We're here with Paulie. We found his RX-7. It's running now. So forced induction or naturally aspirated?
Oh, I'm going forced induction.
Coilovers or air ride?
I'm gonna go with air suspension just because it's hot boy stuff, you know? Hot boy as fuck. Like, look at this.
He's
This
part of
looks
that hot
good.
boy stuff.
Hot boy.
Wide body or factory line?
Oh, this one's so hard because I have a wide body 350 and a stock body RX-7, but I'm gonna go stock body. There's just something about natural beauty, you know? BBLs are cool, but we go natural.
Stance or function?
They're gonna hate me, but stance, boy, dude. Like, stancey is just, it looks good, you know?
All right, single turbo or twin turbo?
Single. I like single. I got single turbos in all of my cars.
All right, manual or automatic?
Oh, manual, baby. Drop that clutch, do some donuts.
Street or track?
I'll do street.
First mod on any new build, what's your first mod?
I know I said air suspension, but coilovers. Because air suspension is so expensive, but get coilovers, bro.
Full send or sleeper?
Full send.
Most overrated mod people waste money on?
Damn, what? I feel like engine swaps because I do that. Why do I engine swap all of my cars? It's like $7K each engine.
Most underrated mod nobody ever talks about?
Big brake kits. I see so many people that push so much power and you can't even stop the car, like it's dangerous.
Budget build or save it and do it right?
My brain says save it and do it right, but my heart says if you ain't got the money, it, you only live once. Go do that budget build and have fun, baby.
Most overrated mod people waste money on?
Their name on their build.
Wide body or factory lines?
Factory line.
I'm sorry, did that cut deep a little bit? Manual or automatic?
Come on, guys. If you want to have an engaging driving experience, manual.
Forced induction or naturally aspirated?
Naturally aspirated, NA all day.
No, I'm not doing it. No.
Most underrated mod nobody talks about?
Brakes.
First mod on any new build, what's your first mod?
I would say wheels.
No, God, please, no.
Stance or function?
Function.
First mod on any new build, what would it be?
Air freshener.
Coilovers or air ride?
Coilovers.
Stance or function?
Function.
Your age is showing, bro. Relax.
You gotta come to our room. It's shorter.
First mod on any new build, what's your first mod?
If it was the 90s, you'd heat up your springs or put some lowering springs. Lowering and wheels.
What's the most underrated mod people don't talk about?
A good set of tires.
Wide body or factory lines?
Depends what it is. Wide body.
Stance or function?
You know what? Before I was stance, and as I get older, function, man.
Think you guys gonna lose a test today?